موارد فاينانس، فالك طيب.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and very good morning. Let me take this opportunity first to thank Mawarid Finance, particularly the president, Mr. Rashid Al-Khubaisi, for inviting the participation of Qasimia University to this interesting session. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Dean of the College of Economics and Management, Professor Dr. Munzir, with us. And I would like also to convey salam, greetings from the Director of Sharjah Center for Islamic Economics, Dr. Yasir, who could not be with us today. Now, the interesting thing is that most of the statistics that I'm about to share with you on the landscape of Dubai has already been discussed. So the good news is I'm just going to focus on what has not been deliberated upon. You had one good news now that there's going to be sandbox for tokenization. I didn't know it would be so soon because I was reading about exploring, that means the UAE is exploring the idea of a sandbox for tokenizing Sukuk, but I didn't know it will be too soon. So let us move. In other words, I have only 2 slides to share with you, and that's the good news. Just in the interest of time. Sorry, I moved too fast. Can I get some help here? Okay. Okay. I'm about to share this slide on the significance, or particularly some of the unique features of what we call Islamic Fintech. One is the idea of ethics. Why ethics is very important. I'm sure most of you have heard about a professor in Harvard University. Harvard is considered #1 university. The professor's name is Harvey Lewis. He wrote a book called Excellence Without Soul. So the professor says, we come to the university, we come to institution, teach our students how to be good technicians, be good fintech experts, be good engineers, but we fail to teach them how to be good people. So in other words, if you want to have an embedded, like we have embedded financing, then ethics becomes very important, which is part and parcel of the Islamic finance. That is the prohibition of interest, excessive uncertainty, the maisir, speculation. But the more interesting part is about these 2 areas, Shariah contracts and business model. When I opened the website of Mawarid Finance, it was very interesting to see that they are so systematic to give us the difference between the 2. Before you structure any product in Islamic finance, you need contracts to structure those products. If you have home financing, like for the case of Mawarid, they have auto financing. They have also payroll, kind of a financing, working capital. These are called products. But to to structure those products, you need contracts. Simple products, you need 1 contract to structure. Complex product, you may need more than 1 or 2 contracts to consolidate them. But the Sharia requires them to be structured separately, not consolidated together. Now, interestingly, what we have in the market today, what is the challenge? The challenge is that some people may be good at the contracts, They know what murabaha is, musharaka is, mudaraba is. But when it comes to the application of the product itself, we have a problem. And the converse is true. Somebody is good at the product, knows fintech in and out, know all the application, know neo-banking, knows digital banking, knows embedded financing, etc. But that Sharia dimension is missing. So the biggest challenge is the integration, to find a talent, capacity building, a pool that integrates both worlds is a big challenge in the market. Now, moving forward, again, when you look at the Islamic product like Mudaraba, Musharaka, it has an embedded transparency. For example, the moment you structure a product called Ijara, leasing, I can trace to the end user what the product is. You structure a product called Mudaraba, I can trace to the end user what the product is. Unlike in the conventional finance, where everything is structured based on the debt financing. This is a very important difference with the Islamic financing. Now, in conclusion, I'm moving to the last slide, which is the way forward. The challenges have already been discussed. And I'm very happy with AFS CEO, Mr. Samir. He mentioned something very interesting, putting university as one of the 5 elements in the ecosystem of fintech, because we develop talents, we develop capacity. Now, Qasimia University, and truly thank you very much to the chairperson, is a unique university. Why is it unique? For several reasons. One, the founder of Qasimia University, Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al-Qasimi, the ruler of Sharjah, may Allah preserve his health and give him long life. He has embedded ethics as part and parcel of the mission of the university. Therefore, everything that we develop has that embedded ethical values. The second interesting thing is that this mission has been operationalized by the Chancellor of the University, Awad Al-Khalaf, in all the colleges, the Kulliya, whether it is Economics and Management, Sharjah Center for Islamic Economics, all this has been embedded. Now, what do these colleges do? College of Economics and Management has programs in Islamic banking and finance. And it used to have one competitor, that's the Hamdan University. But now for your information, you need to come to Al-Qasimiyah for that talent development. This is second unique version of that university. Finally, our Sharjah Center for Islamic Economics, specifically focusing on digital economy as part of its initiative, award in that area. It has certificate training programs, and it also produces publications in that area, and it has collaborations with digital companies in the industry. And we hope in this conference we can extend that collaboration both to the Sharjah Center for Islamic Economics and also collaboration with the College of Economics and Management Sciences. In conclusion, I invite all of you please to visit the booth of Sharjah Center for Islamic Economics and get to know what the activities are. And thank you very much for listening. If there's any questions, I'm ready to take. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.